Hello students, today we will be discussing class 9 pair of equations. We will be starting with page number 36. Before starting page number 36, I would like to clarify certain things. In pair of equation, you need to understand if multiplication symbol is there before the equal to sign, if multiplication symbol is there before the equal to sign, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become division, and when division is there in before equal to sign, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become opposite of division, it would be multiplication. And when addition is there before the equal to sign, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become minus. And similarly, when minus is there before the equal to sign, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become plus. So these four parameters you need to understand before solving this. Okay, so page number 36, first question. In a triangle of perimeter 1 meter, perimeter, you should know that perimeter, this 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. The bigger side is 5 centimeter more than smaller side. So the bigger side would be 5 times more than the smaller side. You are aware, in a rectangle the breadth would be smaller and the length would be larger. So that is why length is taken, in the question it is 5 times, so length is taken more and the breadth is in this way. So we have not been given the breadth as well as length, we have to find both. Okay, so as we are already aware, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and perimeter, the formula we have learned in 8th standard, perimeter is equal to 2 times 2 into, if it is not there then it is 2 into bracket open, length plus breadth, bracket close. Okay, so 1 meter we already are aware, in the question itself it is given, it is 1 meter. We substitute over here 2 into bigger bracket, smaller bracket, we are putting x, we are considering the length as x, and the breadth as x, and the length as x plus 5. Okay, so this x plus 5, this, when it the addition is there, the x and x symbol, since they are similar, will go together, will come in one bracket, and plus 5. Okay, this plus 5 is from this. Okay, from here it has been carry forward. This 1 meter will be converted into 100 centimeter. 2 into bracket open, x and x terms will get added and you will get 2x plus 5. Okay, this is into 2 into 2x plus 5. When this multiplication goes to the opposite side, it will become division. So 100 centimeter divided by 2, then this term itself is carry forwarded, 2x plus 5. You are already aware that 100 is equal to 50 into 2. So above 2 and this below, numerator and denominator 2 will get cancelled and you will get 50. Okay, when this plus 5 goes to the opposite side, it will become minus 5 and this 2x is carried forward. Now 2 into x, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become division. When 50 is minus with 5, you will get 45, and this multiplication, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become division. So 45 divided by 2, you will get 22.5. Now you have got the breadth. Now the length is x plus 5. So you have to substitute this 22.5 over here plus 5, you will get length as 27.5 centimeter. Hello students, class 9 paper pair of equations, and this is the second question on page number 36. The question starts like this: a class has 4 more girls than boys, so let the number of boys be x. So let the number of boys be x. We have written over here, a class is divided into girls and boys, so number of, since we don't know, we are taking it as x. So a class has 4 more girls. So let it is in the first line written that it has 4 more girls than boys. So let the number of girls be plus 4 than this number. So that is why it is x plus 4. Okay. That is why the number of girls has come x plus 4. So on a day when only 8 boys were absent, 8 boys were absent means number of boys you have to minus 8. So on a day when 8 boys were absent, the number of girls was twice than that of boys. So the number of girls, that means x plus 4 itself, was twice that of boys. So 2 times into number of boys is equal to number of girls. Okay, so that is the equation they have given in the second line. So that we can put 2 times number of boys is x minus 8, because 8 boys were absent on a particular day. So x minus 8, and the number of girls is x plus 4. Okay, so 2 into bracket open x minus 8 bracket close is equal to x bracket open x plus 4 bracket close. So this 2 is multiplied into x, and this 2 is again multiplied 2 into 8. Okay, 2 times 8. So 2 into x is 2x. This minus sign will be taken below. Okay, and 2 into 8 would be 16. Equal to sign will come under the equal to sign. Now this x plus 4 is taken down. X terms will be taken together, so this x will go to the opposite side of the equal to sign, so its sign will change from plus sign to minus sign, and when this jumps from this side of the equation to the opposite side, this minus sign will turn into plus sign. So 2x minus x is x itself, and 4 plus 16 would be 20. So you have got the number of boys as 20. So in our first equation it is mentioned that number of girls also you need to find. That would be boys plus number of boys plus 4. So that is how you have got the number of girls as 24. So now you have got the number of boys and the number of girls. Number of boys is 20 and the number of girls is 24. Hello students, today we will be discussing page number 36, class 9, pair of equations. The third question: a man invested rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000 is split into two schemes. You can see there are two schemes. One scheme, the annual means yearly. Annual rate is yearly. Rate of interest is 8% and 9%. Okay, so 8% and 9%. After 1 year, he got rupees 875 as interest from both the schemes. Okay, from both the schemes, he got 875 interest. How much did he invest in each scheme? Firstly, you need to understand that if 10,000 rupees is there with you, and if you split into two schemes, so suppose you split into one scheme and invest 500 rupees in first scheme, then obviously the second scheme would have the total 10,000 rupees minus the first amount invested is rupees 500. So this would give you 9,500. So that would be the answer, is the amount which is invested in the second scheme. Similarly, you can start with the answer. The answer starts, let the amount invested in the first scheme be x, because we don't know what is the amount. So since this is x, the rest amount invested in the second scheme would be 10,000 minus x. This we got it from here. Okay, if you understand this properly, you will understand this. Okay, so first scheme, let it be X, we don't know what is the amount. Then the rest amount invested in the second scheme would be the total amount minus this amount. Okay, we have learned in 8th standard that interest is equal to principal into number of years into rate of interest divided by 100. So we call it P into N into R divided by 100. So there are two rate of interest over here. One rate of interest in the first scheme, it is 8%. In the second scheme it is 9%. So the first scheme, the amount is X. Okay, that is the principal into first year into 1 year into the rate is 8 divided by 100. Similarly, here the principal in the second scheme is 10,000 minus X into 1 year into 9, because 9 is the rate of interest, divided by 100. This is the second scheme. So let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we will get this equation, the same equation over here, and this same equation is added and you will get the this 875. That is what you got from both the schemes. So from equation 1 and equation 2 you will get this X into 1 into 8 divided by 100 plus 10,000 minus X into 1 into 9 divided by 100 bracket close is equal to 875. Class 9 pair of equation, page number 36, third question continuation we are doing right now. So previously we had seen in equation 1 and 2, what we had seen is that X into 1 into 8 divided by 100. This we had seen how it had come. Okay, this one, and this also 10,000 minus X into 1 into 9 divided by 100 is equal to 875. Now multiplying all the numerator, this numerator 1 into X into 8, you will get 8X divided by 100. This would be this term, first term, into the first term. This first term is 10,000 into 9. 1 into 9 is 9. So this 9 will be multiplied to 10,000 and 9 will be multiplied to X. So that is how we got 90,000. This minus sign is taken from here and brought down. Okay, and 9 into X is 9X. Now 100, this divided by 100 is carried forwarded down and equal to 875. Now you can see the denominator is 100 and 100. That is why these both denominator they merge together. So common divided by 100, then the numerator they add 8X plus 90,000 minus 9X. Okay, that is in the numerator. So this division, when it goes to the opposite side of the equal to, it will become multiplication. So that is how this division divided by 100, when it goes to the opposite side, it will become multiplication multiplied by 100. That is how we got 875 into 100. Okay, so we will get, when says 875 into 100, you will get 87500. Okay, so this 90,000 over here, when it is taken to the opposite side of the equation, the plus sign becomes minus sign. Okay, so 87500 minus 90,000, and here 8X minus 9X. So this is the minus symbol is over here, so minus symbol will come down. Greater number has minus symbol, and you have to minus. So 9X minus 8X, you will get X itself. This greater symbol has minus sign, that is why minus sign is carry forwarded. Here also the greater number has minus sign, so minus sign is carry forwarded. when these two terms are minus, you will get 2500. So here also minus is there, here also minus is there. So multiplying both sides by -1, you will get x is equal to a positive integer 2500. So you have got x 2500. So the amount invested in the first scheme is 2500. Now we had seen in the previous video that this, if 2500 is invested, it has to be minus from the total amount in order to find the second scheme. What the amount is invested in the second scheme is 10,000 rupees is the total amount minus the first scheme amount, the amount invested in the first scheme. You will get the amount invested in the second scheme, that is 7,500. Thank you.